Well, we got the Sportsman all ripped apart. Crank no start. Fuel pump went again. So, here's the old one. You can see the part number. I guess so you can see the part number. See the part number? When I had the guy install it, he said I bought the wrong one. And here I just bought another one. And it's got the same fucking part number. He charged me for another one, and he used the one I bought. Reason it shit the bed was they didn't clean out the fucking tank. It's full of dirt. So it ate that fucking pump. Fucking cobbers. You want it done right, do it yourself.